Find the derivative of the function. There is no need to simplify your answer. We have a function here, g of x equals the square root of cosine of 3x. I'm going to rewrite this to cosine 3x to the 1/2 power. When you rewrite it, it's much easier to see that you will have a chain rule derivative. You have a cosine 3x on the inside, you have a 1/2 power on the outside, so we will need to use chain rule. The chain rule states you take the derivative of the outside function, and since on the outside function we have a power 1/2, we're just going to use the power rule. So that'll leave us with a 1/2, and if you're using the power rule, we take 1 away from the original power, so 1/2 minus 1 gives you negative 1/2, and we leave the insides on the inside. We don't do anything with that. After we find the derivative of the outside function, we then find the derivative of what's on the inside, this cosine 3x. When you look at this derivative, it turns out we have another chain rule to use. We have 3x's on the inside, and the cosine is on the outside. So I'm just going to work this little derivative over here, and at the very end I will multiply what we first had by the result of the derivative we get over here. So the derivative of cosine 3x means we take the derivative of the outside. In this case it's cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. We leave the inside alone. And to that we multiply by the derivative of what's on the inside. In this case the derivative of 3x is just 3. So I can rewrite this to be negative 3 sine 3x. So this is the derivative of cosine 3x. So I'm going to multiply this to the original bit that we had before. So our final answer will be 1/2 cosine 3x to the negative 1/2 power times negative 3 sine of 3x.